Hello everyone, this is Kevin Gonzalez, a developer from EFVT. I'm working on EFRT. My user story was EFRT-1097 graph colors, and the project owner is Masad Sajidi. So let's get right to it. Here we have the EFRT website. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to get a graph with some dummy data right here. So in this graph, we have a candlestick graph, rising one color, losing another color, and my user story was basically to create these buttons that change the color of the candlestick. So we select here. Let's pick orange for rising, and let's go with black for losing. We click submit, and it changes the colors. Here we can see that it works well with this feature here to download an image of the graph, implemented by Yolanda. And here you go. Here we could change it as many times as we want. You have a variety of different colors that you could choose from. So if we look at the code, this right here is just the dummy data. I took the liberty of adding this section right here, which are the two select buttons. These are the two select buttons where we get to choose what colors we want to use. I took the liberty of refactoring this code to eliminate a few warnings that this index page was giving by the time I had it in my hands, and I also refactored the script for creating a chart, which is right here. Basically just by modularizing it a little bit, creating more functions, and then calling it on the onload, and basically giving the team the option to call create chart whenever it's needed. For example, with the button I created for the submit. Now, I have two comments, two suggestions, maybe. In here, this is the filters tab. Now, as EFRT continues to grow, I believe that it might be a smart idea to create just a filters tab here, right? Where when you click on the tab, all of this information, this toolbar over here, is just going to appear under it. So it's going to be kind of like a collapse screen. So that's just going to be a good idea for when this becomes more cluttered, because obviously these aren't the only filters that we're going to have on this chart. In fact, we're going to have other features other than create chart, like for example switching through expertise levels and changing the chart itself. So if you have any questions on this user story or any future ideas I would have, my name is Kevin Gonzalez. Here's my email, and the product owner is Masad Sajari, and here is his email. Goodbye.